Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you've heard of Mocha AI, then you're now going to get a deep dive review of what it is and how it can actually help you as a no-code developer. So we're jumping into Mocha over here, right? And Mocha is one of many AI-powered app builders. Now I'm going to give you a full review here of exactly how it actually works. So I'm going to just sign in, and once you've signed in, you can actually start building. Okay, so we've signed in and I've actually built a prompt. I've used perplexity.ai to create a prompt for me. All I did was just give Perplexity a bit of an outline of what I'm looking for, and it created a prompt. So on the top right hand side, you're going to go to create new app, and here you're literally going to paste in your prompt. Okay, so my prompt basically is a design app that you allowed your customer to actually come in to the app, upload some logos and choose some brand colors, and then they get to see their design on different items of clothing. Now I've added some complexity to my prompt because I want to see how Mocha actually handles it, right? So you can make this public or private. You can also look for some inspiration here. There's some templates that you can use, and then there's prompting 101. All right. Now, for me personally, the interface already is very bland. It's just a white space and there's nothing really going on. Some other app builders, when you go and click on inspiration, it doesn't show you a list. Sometimes people don't think when they read. Sometimes people think when they see visuals. And because we're building an app, we really want to use visuals more than anything else. So if Mocha was able to give us some visuals, some visual inspiration, or some visual templates here, that would be really nice. But let's go ahead and send this prompt off, and let's see how well it actually builds. Okay, so this is after a few minutes what has actually come up with. So this was my prompt, and on the left hand side you can see of all of its thoughts, thinking processes, all of that stuff. And here you can actually see a preview of it, and it actually doesn't look so bad. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. So for initially like this kind of design, it's not actually too bad. However, like the mock-ups are kind of silly. Like it's not a real t-shirt, you know, it's just like a weird little shape that looks like a t-shirt. Hoodie the same, that doesn't even look like a hoodie, and I don't even know what that is. You can't move the logo around. That would be a bit of a change that I would make. In any case, initially it actually looks decent. You can also go up and check the code which it gives you, and you can actually use. You can also see all of the data, and then you can change the settings of the actual project that you're working on. All in all, Mocha AI is decent. However, there are some sort of, as a beginner, for me, there are some changes, some small changes that I would like to see. I would like to see maybe a little bit of a better generation before I have to ask it in real time to make any changes. But what do you think? Let us know in the comment section.